Long-term fasting. The surprising side effects. Fasting has been a part of human behavior for millennia, with roots in spirituality, health, and even survival. Today, it is often used as a method for weight loss and detoxification. Extended fasting, however, is an entirely different ballgame. This practice of refraining from eating for periods longer than 24 hours has its share of surprising effects, both beneficial and shocking. Let's delve into the world of long-term fasting and whether its side effects are worth the effort. The basics of extended fasting and its history. Extended fasting isn't a modern-day phenomenon. It dates back to ancient times when people fasted as part of their spiritual journey across diverse cultures and religions. The act of refraining from food for more than a day was a path towards spiritual enlightenment and purification. It's also rooted in ancient medical practices. For instance, in the world of traditional Chinese medicine and Ayurveda, prolonged fasting was seen as a way to prevent illnesses and facilitate healing. Fast forward to the present day, and this practice has become a buzzword in the health and wellness sector. Its recognition as an effective weight loss strategy and a means to boost metabolic health has catapulted its popularity among health enthusiasts worldwide. The significant health benefits of extended fasting. Diving into the health rewards, extended fasting triggers a fascinating metabolic process called ketosis. This is when your body, having used up its glucose reserves, turns to burning fat for fuel. The result? Potential weight loss, but the benefits don't just stop there. An enhanced insulin sensitivity, meaning your body gets better at processing sugar, is another feather in the cap of extended fasting. A reduced inflammation response, which can play a significant role in preventing chronic diseases, is another boon. The magic doesn't end there. Extended fasting might unlock a cellular cleanup crew known as autophagy. This process sees your body's cells tidying up, getting rid of damaged components, and potentially warding off a host of diseases. It's like giving your body a much-needed spring cleaning at a cellular level. In summary, the benefits of extended fasting extend beyond mere weight loss. From bolstering your body's insulin response to potentially sparking cellular renewal, the health rewards can be manifold. However, remember that these benefits can vary from person to person, and always consult with a healthcare professional before embarking on any significant dietary changes. The shocking physical side effects of extended fasting. When we shine the spotlight on the not-so-rosy aspects of extended fasting, it's important to note that it can sometimes take a toll on the body. We're not just talking about the pangs of hunger or occasional irritability. The side effects can be far more substantial and somewhat startling. Extreme fatigue can be one such effect, making you feel like a car running on fumes. Headaches, often caused by dehydration or low blood sugar, can become an unwelcome companion. A sense of dizziness or lightheadedness can leave you feeling off balance, making daily tasks a challenge. What's more alarming is that if not properly executed, extended fasting could potentially lead to nutritional deficiencies. Your body might miss out on essential vitamins and minerals if you're not careful. Certain individuals may also witness gastrointestinal distress, another unpleasant side effect that can accompany extended fasting. In extreme cases, it could even lead to cardiac problems, predominantly caused by an imbalance in electrolytes. While these side effects might sound daunting, remember that they can be managed and mitigated with the right approach and professional guidance. The impact of extended fasting on mental health. Extended fasting can significantly influence your mental well-being. For some, it's a ticket to enhanced clarity, concentration, and even an unexpected surge of happiness known as fasting euphoria. Yet, not all experiences are positive. Others might find themselves on a roller coaster of fluctuating moods, experiencing irritability, restlessness, or even bouts of depression. The absence of food can lead your brain to fixate on it, making you preoccupied with thoughts of eating. This obsession can potentially morph into disordered eating patterns, making extended fasting a double-edged sword in terms of mental health. Therefore, it's crucial to understand that everyone's fasting experience can differ vastly based on individual factors. Balancing the physical benefits with potential mental health impacts is critical when considering extended fasting. It's recommended to seek guidance from a mental health professional if you have a history of eating disorders or mental health issues before embarking on this journey. Remember, your mental health is just as important as your physical health. How extended fasting can alter your relationship with food. Navigating through the landscape of extended fasting, one may encounter unexpected shifts in their perception and interaction with food. It's not just about what you eat, but the cognizance of how and when you eat it, which can dramatically change. For some, the journey can foster a newfound respect for the vital role that food plays in our lives, turning each meal into a celebration of the sustenance it provides. However, the voyage isn't always smooth sailing. Fasting can also unravel an intricate web of emotions towards food. The periods of abstention can lead to extreme cravings, which might culminate in a cycle of binge eating followed by guilt and further restriction. This precarious balancing act can tilt your relationship with food, turning it into an endless cycle of deprivation and excess. This is why your approach to fasting needs to be underpinned by mindfulness and balance. Embracing fasting as a tool to enhance your well-being rather than a harsh disciplinary measure or a quick fix is essential. The goal should be to learn how to enjoy food while also understanding its impacts on your body rather than vilifying it. This perspective shift can turn your fasting experience into a journey of self-discovery and growth, rather than a battlefield fraught with fear and guilt. Critical considerations before you embark on extended fasting. Before you plunge headfirst into the realm of extended fasting, a handful of critical factors need to be addressed. Your present health status takes center stage in this discourse. For individuals battling medical conditions, particularly those concerning heart health or Blutzucker, diving into fasting without medical guidance may tip the scales in favor of risks over benefits. So, if you have any pre-existing conditions, be sure to have a chat with your healthcare provider before you start. It's also paramount to remember that fasting is not a one-size-fits-all practice. It's not a competition, and there's no need to push yourself beyond your comfort zone. Everyone has a unique response to fasting based on their individual body constitution, health history, and lifestyle. The key is to align your fasting practice with your body's rhythms and signals. Pushing past your body's limits might do more harm than good. It's all about finding your unique balance and respecting your body's needs. Last but not least, fasting is not intended to replace a healthy lifestyle. It should not be used as an alternative to a balanced diet or a regular exercise regime. Instead, see it as an additional tool in your wellness toolkit to complement other healthy lifestyle practices. Remember, fasting is a journey, not a destination. It's about exploring what works best for you rather than blindly following a set path. It's about nurturing your body and mind and not punishing them. So, if you decide to explore the world of extended fasting, do so with a spirit of curiosity, self-care, and mindfulness. Successful navigation through extended fasting. Embarking on your extended fasting journey, it's vital to remember that safety comes first. Don't jump right into an extended fast. Instead, ease into it by gradually lengthening your fasting window. Staying hydrated throughout the process is crucial as well. So remember to sip on water regularly. To ensure you're not missing out on any vital nutrients, consider taking a multivitamin during your eating windows. Listening to your body is of paramount importance. If you feel unwell at any point during your fast, it's your body's way of signaling you to take a pause and break the fast. Don't brush off these signals. Respect your body's communication. While embarking on this journey, professional guidance is highly recommended. A healthcare professional can provide you with personalized advice based on your individual health profile and needs. making the fasting journey safer and more effective. Remember, extended fasting is not a one-time quick fix, but a part of a long-term wellness journey. Approach it with a spirit of exploration and mindfulness, always prioritizing your well-being above all else. By following these guidelines, you can navigate the realm of extended fasting successfully, reaping its many potential benefits without compromising your health